Hey Tony, thanks so much for that quick introduction. Back to me. My name is Thompson Akat, right? And I've been in the crypto space for roughly 5 years now. Early 2021, I started off as a blockchain developer. I've been building dApps, NFTs, layer one, layer two infrastructures. I think early 2023 started eventually into Telegram bots, automations, whereby products, they were in high demand for automations, AI agents, all of that stuff circled around Telegram and Xbox, right? And then circle down to early 2025, we had to cook my butts, whereby coding, deployment, management, maintenance. So we had to make everything easy. That's how we came on with building Cook My Butts, and here we are today.
Okay, for sure. Tell us a little bit more about the team that's cooking Cook My Bots.
Oh, okay, yeah. So currently we are about three, right? But I'm the founder, CEO. We have an amazing tech guy, Paul. Paul is the manager. He has experiences in previous company. He worked as a cloud engineer in some varieties of projects in the past. And then there's James. James is an amazing guy. He's an engineer. He's the one that built the whole infrastructure, the whole prompt engineering and that stuff. And there is me. I'm the main guy, the main IT guy, the main ecosystem manager, the one that runs the whole prompt systems, the whole idea behind Cook My Bots and all. So for more information about the team, actually have like a community, a growing community on the website. So if people
Mhm.
have more questions about who the team are, what we do, where to find us, and what the plans and visions we have, they can always come and join our community on Telegram, even X, or probably send us a DM in any of our social platforms.
For sure. So tell us a little bit more about the problem. Obviously, mod bots and Claude bots are just like popping off right now, going absolutely insane. Oh, we just lost him. We're gonna pull him back. Just give us a second there. Hey, you're
Hey
back.
Tony.
All
Yeah,
right, cool.
sorry. Okay.
So yeah, you were
Yeah.
telling us about the current flaws and problems you see with vibe coding and with bots, creating bots and
Okay.
that type of thing.
Yeah. So currently there's a high demand on AI agents, right? There's Claude, there's so much noise in the market about what this can do, automation processes and all of that stuff, right? So let me give you a brief insight. Now, with Cook My Bots, there are three core barrier problems that we plan to solve, right? Now, there's a technical barrier whereby people with no coding skills, they still want to like build products, they want to build bots, right? Now, you have no coding skills. You let's say you're just like a bartender, and or you work at a restaurant, but you want to learn something autonomous. You can come to Cook My Bots and you can build a Telegram bot. You can build an X bot. You can build something autonomous, something that works by itself. Basically, an AI agent that can work for you if you want. And then there's a marketing time, right? Most of the time it takes weeks, it takes months to ship a bot. I think there was a time where we had this rush of Telegram mini apps. Everybody wanted to be the Telegram mini app, right? And most of the time, to hire a dev, the dev would take about roughly a month, 2 months to get the product to work in production phase. Now, with Cook My Bots, you don't really need to wait that much long, right? You can just like come to the platform, you imagine an idea, you just
Instantly
come there,
cook.
you just instantly cook. So, yeah, you just type what you want, and the whole infrastructure will build everything for your production ready, and you go
Yeah.
live in minutes and not even days. And lastly, there's the issue of cost. Most people are just going through.
Well, I think we just lost him. Thompson, are you there? All right, well, now I'm back.
Hey Tony.
Hey, yeah, we keep losing you,
Hey,
brother. Sorry.
like
Why don't you
I
go
am
ahead and
so
share your
sorry.
screen?
Okay,
Show us the
okay,
platform. At least people can, kind of grasp it, see how it works a bit.
yeah, sure, sure. Let me just share my screen real
Yeah.
quick. Okay, yeah. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen, Tony?
Yeah, now we can see it. Uh huh.
Okay, awesome, awesome. So let's just do something simple, not complex. By the way, just something that can show that the bot actually works, right? So let's say let's just think of storage. Let's say we can be the bot that can store images, just something basic, just to show that the idea is valid, right? So let's say, can you uh, build me an image storage bot, right? That I can use to maybe retrieve, uh, save, right, and delete as well. Okay, let me just create this typo over here. Yeah, so you just click on generate, and what it does is it iterates over these two vague prompts, right, and then it produces a full architectural plan based on your vague prompt. This process roughly take about 60 minutes, but it's for the best because most of the times uh, most of the time, this is how a user is going to come on the platform to describe an idea. It doesn't show too much information about what you want to build. So we have to find a way to uh, explain to AI much more properly about the idea you have in mind. So in any second now, we should see a fully working plan and architecture about how AI is going to like build your bot from scratch, as well as all the commands, all the functions, basically everything it can do. So let's just give it a little bit of my time.
Weird, weird. Okay.
Meanwhile, if you have
And
any more
what? Yeah, and
questions,
I
you can
guess with
actually
that,
ask.
like, what types of LLMs are you utilizing?
Oh, currently we make use of OpenAI, right? We use Claude as well, Gemini as well.
Mm-hmm. Very
So
cool.
we have a fully working plan, as you can see. If you are not satisfied with this, you can decide to probably make changes. Or I don't think I'm gonna make any change because it's actually looking really good. As you can see, if you scroll down, it tells you a whole lot of story about the whole stuff as well as the commands that it's gonna like generate. Now, if you're satisfied with that, you just go ahead and read about. Now, I'm going to tell you something really interesting about Cook My Buns, right? Now, traditionally, when people beat bots, they beat bots that just have simple commands. They just in order to make use of the bot, you have to make use of the bot commands, right? But there's something specific and uniquely we added. You know how every day you feel like you want to just communicate with your product, right? Instead of using commands, I mean, you can use commands as well on the bot. You can just like ask the bot to do a specific function for you. So you can ask the bot, what exactly do you do? How can you do it? How can I make use of you? So it's like instead of finding out the whole documentation from the team, probably you can interact with the bot as if you are interacting with a real life autonomous agent. You know what I'm saying? So that is something unique that we added to our but as we like to call them AI agents. But now you can do this on Telegram, on X, though X is on beta stage, and it works fully functioning fine. So back to this. Right now,
Mhm.
what it does, it's coding in real time, though you can see it yet. Soon you see the whole action and process. It's planning everything, getting all your files together, all your commands together, or the flows, all the touches, basically the whole documentation, how it's gonna work. It's creating a bunch of environment variables, the deployment server environments, basically everything that's gonna make your bot work. Now, this process takes about 3 to 5 minutes, right? Depending on how complex your bot idea is. So I think in a couple of seconds or maybe a minute, we should have our codes ready and we should be able to test our bot live. Meanwhile, if you have any additional questions, you can ask.
Yeah, for sure. Talk to us more about what use cases you think are the most relevant or have been the most interesting for you guys so far.
Okay, now in regards to use cases, we've met uh, most of our previous clients. We've met them. Most of them want automation. They don't want to have to uh, go through all their groups, right, and reply to those groups. Instead, they want to build a bot that handles that for them. At the same time, they get to monitor what's being sent out. So we've had projects reach out, they build autonomous bots. We have some users who building trading bots, some users who building wallets on Solana, Casper, several chains. We have people utilizing the product as security, as group modes. Instead of hiring modes, you can build your own modes on Telegram, and it's going to interact in your group as real personnel. You have people building you have people building AI agents on top of AI agents on Telegram. That's where really like blew my mind. When you can build a Telegram bot that's an AI agent, and then on itself it builds sub agents that handles specific user tasks. These are
Right.
the real use cases that people are using Cook My Bots
Yeah,
currently,
that's mad
and it's,
cool.
it's really
Hmm.
incredible. It's really incredible, honestly.
Absolutely, for sure. Anything else on the platform you want to show us? Is there one maybe that's done we can see?
Oh yeah, sure. Okay, let me scroll to Telegram. Right now, we have before this. Okay. There was this flagship product that we built. We built a safeguard clone. You know the popular bots whereby you want to join a Telegram group and
Oh
then
yeah,
you have to like verify yourself, right?
right. Oh, it looks like we just lost him. We're gonna bring him right back.
very fast bot. So it's just gonna provide me with a link, and then it takes me to the group, and I join. Now, what I was telling you about the whole AI agent stuff. Let's say
Hmm.
you just newly saw this bot and you don't know anything about the bot, right? You can simply just interact with it. Hey, you can be like, hey, what's up? How do you work, right? And it's gonna like reply you. Just wish that it's gonna reply you on how you can use the bot in like his own language. You can see you just give me a reply, and you can keep on interacting with it. You can ask it, okay, so I need to add you into a group. You kind of get the idea. Like instead of looking for some sort of documentation or going to the project group to find out
Hmm.
more info about the bot, you can interact with it like a real AI agent, and it's gonna give you tips about how to use the bot. This is extensible. You can customize this anyhow you want, and you can do this for any kinds of bot you want to build. Yeah.
Very cool.
So this
Yeah,
is
that's
actually
fire.
being this is I think this particular project has already been done. Uh, do you want us to run it, Tony?
Yeah, that's rip.
Okay,
And
cool.
while we're at
So,
it, talk to us a little bit more about the product roadmap.
oh yeah, sure. So right now we've just recently built the whole infrastructure and stuff. People can actually launch bots. We actually do have users who've generated approximately 1K in revenue, right? So we've done the whole infrastructure and stuff. Currently, we're implementing Telegram mini apps compatibility, more multiple platforms, and basically adding more social platforms so people can beat bots on those platforms. We're improving and
Hmm.
expanding the functions of the AI agents, more APIs that can be used so people can build more complex trading bots, not just substandard, real production, real
For
life
sure.
use case trading bots. So in the nearest future, we plan to like launch tokenize the whole platform, introduce a token. We plan to like create, provide enterprise APIs for projects who would want to launch bots, but they don't want to use the platform. They prefer to use their own platform. So we're going to provide enterprise APIs. We're also going to make autonomous AI agents for bots, on-chain agent identities, revenue sharing for creators. We also plan to like open up a marketplace whereby bot creators can actually make money from creation of bots and reselling. So that's that about the roadmap.
Very cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Cool. Anything in the platform you want to show us?
Let me just go ahead and name this so
Yeah.
we can test this out
But
real
yeah,
quick.
other than that, my last question was just, yeah, I wanted to hear more about the token utility and how the token
Okay.
holders would benefit.
Okay, so now the main token utility is the AI usage, right? If we when we launch a token, right, the main is not just gonna be standardized, right? People get to use the platform instead of paying for AI usage, right? The whole marketplace should be run using the token. What we plan to also do with the token is that, most times generated bots they require payments integrated in them. So instead of integrating payments platforms like Stripe, we're gonna like embed Web3 into this. So the token will be like uh, um, a form of expenditure on each of the generated bots. So bots that enterprise bots that are going to be charging premium, different plans, they can like include our token as part of like a payment structure on their bots. So that is one of the main use case that we have in in store for our token.
Very cool. All right, awesome. Well, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And yeah, wishing you the
Yeah.
best of luck.
Thanks so much. The whole idea of Cook My Boss is to like make it possible for people to just imagine an idea, and uh, they can just launch the idea in minutes without having the struggle of finding devs, costs, or even the skill, you know, to do this. it's gonna make it pretty easy for everybody.
Epic. Yeah. Well said. Thank you. Bye now.
Yeah, thanks so much, bro. Appreciate it.